Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Good evening. Uh, I'm on the way to the church today. I came from my training, but I'll go direct to the church. See, so that I can attend the church service. Even though I'm late for volunteering, even I cannot volunteer. At least I can attend the church service. See, our church is in evangelical. In front of British School Alcobayrat. I'm on the way to the church. I hope later I can find the bus right away going home. See. They have a nice light, a different color light.